with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. In case you are new here, my name is Christine. You are very much welcome to this family. If you are a returnee, thank you so much for always tuning to this channel. So today's video is all about cleaning. Yeah, I've been postponing deep cleaning my 2 bathrooms, but today is that day, guys. I woke up very early. The kids are off to school, so I have been doing laundry, and I need to clean because tomorrow I'll be leaving the house. The next 2 days I'm busy. Yeah, so I have to do this cleaning today. I can't postpone it anymore. Yeah, so I've just removed my machine that I normally use from here, and I'm clearing off the water that normally spills on this floor before starting up with the cleaning.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know.
So I'm going to start with the kids' bathroom. And so we are doing the sink first. Yeah, they normally use this sink, guys. If you don't supervise this sink, it gets dirty. At times they wash dirty hands here and they don't rinse it, so I have to keep on supervising this sink every now and then, especially those days when they are not in school. Yeah, so I will be cleaning using a scoring powder. Yeah, and I'm using a steel wool. Yeah, the one you normally use to scrub our pots. Yeah, so I'm using steel wool and scoring powder on this sink. I'll also be using the same steel wool in the bathroom tiles. This wall has to be wiped so often because they all normally pass here with dirty hands, and they are so touchy, especially the twins. So when using this toilet, they normally touch everywhere, and the wall gets so dirty at times with fingerprints and all that. So before scrubbing my tiles, I will just soak the toilet bowl with some scoring powder and toilet soap. Yeah. So then I will go in and start scrubbing my tiles with steel wool, and I'll be using Omo. Yeah, Omo and the same Vim scoring powder in the water that I'm using to scrub my tiles.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on the show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
So for the floss, I'm still using the same Vim scoring powder and Omo, to scrub the floors. I'm using a small brush I'm going in with a small brush first, then I will go in with a big broom and then later on mop to dry the floors, so that when they come back from school, the floors will be completely dry and the toilet will be conducive for them to use.
Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
It's been a while since I introduced myself, so for my new subscribers, those who don't know me yet, my name is Christine. I'm a mother of 3, a 12-year-old girl, a 4-year-old girl and boy who are twins. And I'm also a wife, a businesswoman, a stay-at-home mom. So I'm all in one. I do all that. So thank you so much for joining my channel. Feel free here, and you are so much welcome to this family. I hope that you get to enjoy my videos, and please like, share, leave a comment. Always leave a comment so that I know you watched my videos, and also do not skip the ads kindly.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face.
So the first bathroom is done. So the next bathroom I'm going to clean is my master bathroom. Yeah, so I'm going in, I'm starting with the sink as usual, and at this time round I'm using the homemade toilet cleaner with scoring powder. Yeah, I still have the homemade toilet cleaner that I made some months ago, guys. It's been a savior. Yeah, so that is what I'm using with the same steel. So for the tiles, I'm using scoring powder and homemade soap here, and that is what I'll be using on the tiles and on the floors. Guys, there are so many cleaning detergents out there. There are so many of them in the supermarkets, some locally in the markets, yeah, in the open air markets. So whichever is available for you, you can use any to do the cleaning. Yeah, don't get pressure about if you see anyone using a particular detergent and you can't afford it, please kindly do not get the pressure to purchase it, because life is hard these days. Yeah, so use whatever is available for you and whatever you can afford, guys, as long as your space is clean and smelling fresh, and you're good to go.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. If it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing.
I'm now done with the tiles, so I will go in on the floors with the scoring powder and scrub it thoroughly. Yeah, my floors are dirty, especially on the corners. Yeah, so I'll be using a small broom on these corners so that it gets this broom lets off all the dirt. Yeah, but bad luck, I did hurt my finger, guys, and I have long nails, so I did hurt my finger and the nails broke, guys, and it was so painful, but I had to persevere and finish up with the cleaning because I couldn't leave it halfway.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all.
Finally, I can now smile because my 2 bathrooms are clean, guys. And this cleaning has been postponed for some days, but now I have managed to do it, guys. So I'm so happy that everything is clean and smelling fresh.
The ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing.
While starting the video, I told you that I was doing laundry, yeah, and this laundry, hubby brought it on the rooftop. I normally don't carry heavy luggages, so he normally helps carry the clothes to the rooftop. So after cleaning, I had to come over here and just start hanging the clothes. It was so windy, guys, and by the time I was done hanging the clothes, some were even dry, especially the sheets, bedding. So I had to go with them in the house, yeah, than leave them here and under the sun.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself.
So today I want to make mandazis for my kids. It's been a while, guys, since I made mandazis, and I have a lot of mandazi flour in the house. So I decided to psych myself up despite the hurting finger that I have, yeah, and make them mandazi. So we are going to mix the dry ingredients together. That is flour, sugar, lemon zest, and cardamom. Yeah, we are going to mix them together. So guys, I don't normally have specific measurements for my mandazis. I just eyeball like in the olden days, guys. The only thing I have measurements are these 3 eggs and my 2 kg flour. Yeah, so the rest I'm just eyeballing. Yeah, so after mixing the dry ingredients, I will go in with my 3 eggs, my lemon juice, and my milk. So the milk is 1 packet, but it won't be enough, so I will add in some little warm water until I feel that the dough is good enough.
It's like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something.
So I will also add in some oil. Yeah, you can use margarine or butter if you want to, but margarine oil is a bit affordable. Yeah, so you can use any that you love, and then you go ahead and knead until it is well kneaded. The dough is smooth.
It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all.
I will will cover the dough for around 10 minutes as my oil heats up on the pan.
It's gonna be all or nothing at all. It's gotta be all or nothing.
So after 10 minutes, I will start rolling my dough and cutting into smaller pieces. I love my mandazis smaller because they are for kids, guys. So, and you know, my kids love things to do with wheat. So I cut them into smaller pieces so they can have them for some days. If I cut into big pieces, guys, these things will be done in few days, and I don't think I can be able to make mandazis twice a week. Yeah, so this one need to go for like a week or 2 weeks.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we
Time to deep fry them, so I'll be putting them in the oil and then turning them. After they've swollen, I just turn them and let them cook on one side. Then I will turn them again to cook on the other side. And yeah, that is the process I use to make my mandazis. And guys, these mandazis are very, very, very yummy. That's why I really love using eggs, milk, using eggs, milk, and lemon zest in my mandazis. I normally don't use cardamom all the time, but for lemon zest, milk, and mandazi and eggs, sorry, yeah, that is a must in my mandazis, guys.
a Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
So this week I'll sit comfortable knowing that we have breakfast sorted. So maybe tomorrow or the other day I can make them some pancakes and some bake a cake for them, so that this pushes them for 1 week, especially this time that the month is at the corner, guys. And yeah, there's no money for bread and getting bread all the time. So we are sorted for this week until end month, guys. Yeah.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
So we are now done, guys. And by the time I was done, they had eaten these mandazis, guys. They had really eaten these mandazis while I was cooking, yeah, but I'm happy that they're happy I made them mandazis. So thank you so much for watching. If you are here and you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Please like, share, leave a comment down below, and kindly do not skip the ads. So let me see you in my next one. Goodbye. I love you all, guys.